Your design data is key to your business and success with customers. We know how much of a challenge it is making sure that fast-moving projects run smoothly and making sure everyone who needs access to your product design's digital twin has it. Today, your teams are managing many projects, using the file system to control access and share folders. We've all encountered problems with getting secure access to files, issues ensuring everyone can see the correct version of a design, and that local copies of files aren't independently being worked on. What is really needed is to have a simple, managed way of sharing full projects, not just the files. Access to all the important project data, ensuring you are in control of the versioning and access so everyone is working from a common set of core data. Let's see how.
Pat is a quality engineer at a consumer products company. He needs to collaborate and communicate a design change requested by their customer based on one of their espresso machines. Pat is utilizing Teamcenter Share to investigate the design using the integrated 3D viewing environment, where he can hide and show parts, explode, and section assemblies, measure, and markup. This is all great for design and manufacturing reviews. He's identifying the desired changes with a markup and accompanying text annotations. Teamcenter Share offers maximum traceability as all markups are recorded, enabling conversation back and forth on any of the issues that are being tracked. It also records who made a markup and when it is made. Pat can easily go back to the markup at any time. He can then create a task and easily share the relevant files and design change information with Jesse, his trusted design engineer. Instructions, priority, and due dates in the task allow for clear communication and collaboration between the two of them.
Jessie is the design engineer working in a remote office. She will use Pat's model provided through Teamcenter Share and use it to implement the changes requested. She has received the request from Pat's providing clear objectives and the relevant files that he should utilize for doing the change. Teamcenter Share allows Jessie to connect her Solid Edge desktop CAD to the cloud, automatically synchronizing the data, which allows her to see the same espresso machine project on her desktop, represented simply as a folder. Any data that she saves in this folder will get synchronized in the background. In Solid Edge, she can securely sign into Teamcenter Share and see those same cloud-based projects. The espresso machine can be opened, and she can get right to work on the parts in question, accessing those same markups in the cloud directly from within Solid Edge, and then, of course, go ahead and complete the work, which in this case is to add a cutout to the leg of the espresso machine. Once complete, another markup continues that two-way conversation and collaboration with Pat as well as other stakeholders so that issues are tracked appropriately.
After the design changes are completed, Michael, the design manager, can easily review and share them with other project stakeholders, such as the quality team and customers. Since Michael has his Solid Edge desktop connected to Teamcenter Share, he can see the same projects and can review the design changes in either environment. The project can then be shared. Here, access rights can be assigned for different users, so the intellectual property is protected when necessary. Michael can even leverage his mobile phone or tablet device and make use of Teamcenter Share's augmented reality capability in order to see exactly how the design will look in a real-world environment. The design can be placed onto any surfaces that are seen through the camera lens at the correct scale. Then, device gestures can be used to manipulate the model and easily visualize what the design will look like in the real environment.
Realize the value Siemens Accelerator in Solid Edge with seamless integration and secure data that is accessible across sites and the supply chain. This flexible collaboration allows design and manufacturing engineers to work more effectively and faster for higher quality product development.